Isn't it all bread though at the end of the day?
Is it? Was the chocolate bread? What?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Be yourself, okay? Don't. Let's take a thumbnail. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with Zach. I don't know, it's been a long time since you've been in like a proper video. He makes appearances occasionally, but he's hella awkward, so I try not to force him into this too often, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
That way he doesn't like hate it too much. So I decided to pick up this Universal Yums box. So they have 3 size options, and just like glancing at this, I kind of already want to get a bigger one. Maybe you can order that one. So
I got a big box, yes I do. I got a big box, how about you?
I don't think you know what you're saying.
Nope.
So they have snacks from different countries, and this one is from Italy. So all of these snacks are like Italian, things that you would typically see in Italy. So I'm really excited to try everything out. I've already looked at everything and just checked it out, but we've not tasted anything. So we're gonna take like little samplings of everything. We still need to eat like a proper dinner. So we're not gonna eat everything, but I definitely wanna try everything and just see how it goes. So if you wanna see us like try out some food, keep watching. Okay, it has a really cute sticker. It says, "Greetings from Italy, birthplace of the world's most valuable painting." But Mona Lisa's got like chocolate all over her face. And it has a little scorecard. So you can post this and tag them, and you like rate all of your snacks, which I think is cute. All right, what should we try first? We'll try these. So these are Alfredo's.
Pizza by Alfredo or Alfredo's Pizza?
I thought it was Alfredo's Pizza Kitchen. So these are Alfredo's truffle potato chips. Now, is truffle a nut or a plant or what?
English is my only language.
Truffle. So these are the chips. Let's go ahead and try them. They're almost like a kettle chip, but there's something. I'm gonna try one more.
It's a twofer.
Like, they're fine, but there's some little taste to them, and it just must be the taste of truffle because I've never eaten truffle potato chips. So that's kind of weird.
So they're good. I would definitely get them if I were in Italy. Italy.
Italy.
I feel like I've tasted that before, but I can't put my finger on where I've had it before.
It tastes really close to like some kettle chips I've had, but I don't remember what. It's not my favorite just because I'm very basic when it comes to like potato chips. I want like a very basic potato chip, but not bad. You could eat those. All right, let's try something sweet. So these are Amarettini crisp almond cookies. I love almond stuff. I think that's gonna be interesting. Oh, they smell good. I have to smell everything. Like a little nipple.
I was going to say it looks like the top of an acorn.
Mm-hmm. Eat the cookie. Kind of like a pound cake flavor.
Mm-hmm.
That's
exactly what that tastes like.
I really like almond stuff though. You like them?
Yeah, I do. Definitely reminds me of the pound cake.
These are mine though.
Should have had napkins. Ah, look at that, always prepared.
There you go. All right, so these are ketchups, which I don't know. Did you ever eat chips with ketchup?
No.
That's like poor people French fries. I remember like there was nothing in the house, but we had some potato chips and some ketchup. I dipped potato chips in ketchup.
I mean, it's all the same thing.
So these are Amica Chips ketchup potato chips. I'm pretty excited for these. Only sunflower oil, it says.
Lies.
Ooh, they smell like ketchup.
Mm-hmm.
Literally tastes like chips and ketchup. You don't like it? It's
No,
okay. I like them. They're a little different, but they're pretty good.
Not a big fan.
Well, can't have everything. Okay, let's try this. Nacholato Novi Chocolate Bar with Italian hazelnuts. We're going.
How am I supposed to get behind that?
I don't know. We're going really fast. I didn't know if we were going to go through these snacks that fast. I'm just going to break off like a piece. Oh, it's very soft. It's a very creamy chocolate. No? I like those. What's your favorite so far?
Probably the chips.
The truffle chips?
Uh-huh.
Mine's the almond cookies. Okay, so these are Terrellini.
Tortellini. Yep.
Lemon e pepe. So I'm guessing it's lemon pepper. And I actually looked at the I looked at the pamphlet on these and it said they were like bread, little bread bites.
Isn't it all bread though at the end of the day?
Is it? Was the chocolate bread?
Could be. Are these supposed to look like little cues?
They look little, yeah, I guess. Oh. Not your favorite? Maybe it's because after with the chocolate, this is strange.
If I had to describe it to somebody, it would be think
It's a little spicy afterwards.
as if you were to lick a lemon. Like the peel. That's what this is like.
But it's peppery. Okay, see what's throwing me off is that like when I think lemon in a snack, I'm thinking something kind of sweetish. The lemon makes me want, like when it first hit my tongue, I was like, lemon, it's gonna be sweet. And then it was like savory and it wasn't that crunchy. It was kind of like crumbly and then it was peppery. Not my favorite.
No.
This one I'm really excited about. This is the Bondo. Please excuse my fake Italian accent. Orange carrot. This is like a little cake. I hope that's been focusing. Okay, this I'm excited for. It's like a little, it's like a little snack cake. Look at her.
Looking like a little snack.
Oh, that smells good too. So this is orange carrot and it's like a little cake. I'm just gonna take a little nibble. Mmm.
That's pretty good. Yeah, you can have it.
Mmm. This reminds me of the orange cake my mom's makes.
That's what I thought of too.
Not quite as good as that, like homemade, but it's got like fruit and icing and all that stuff on it. That was really good. That's my favorite so far. So now all we have left is a couple of candies. So I'm gonna do the chocolate first. So these are tiramisu, little like chocolate balls or something. They remind me of like Lindor. I'm gonna show mine.
Show them your chocolate balls.
Okay, it's tiramisu. You've had tiramisu, right?
Yes.
You like it?
No.
Goodie. It's just a ball. 2 balls. Cheers. This is what he puts up with all the time. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Mmm. Mmm. No? I taste that coffee flavor.
Yeah.
Aren't they like tiramisu ladyfingers soaked in like espresso or something? Mmm. We don't like this?
No, see, my palate is not as refined as some people, so they are able to distinguish the different flavors that they taste. For me, it tastes like coffee chocolate. That's all I got.
That's not the worst thing in the world, but you don't like it.
No, not at all.
But you like a mocha.
Yeah.
So why do you like a coffee chocolate drink, but not a coffee chocolate ball?
Because I understand it's a drink. My brain doesn't like when drinks become solid.
Tiramisu means pick me up. I think it's really good. It's coffee infused cocoa cream. I like it. Okay, I was saving this one for last because I think this is going to be really good. I anticipate wanting more of these. So let me look at what this says because it just says sells soda al gusto limon. All right, so this is a fizzy lemon candy. It's like Sprite in a hard candy. So this sounds really good. Little candies. Okay.
Oh.
This is our little finisher. I'm disappointed that you don't love it more because I was like, oh yeah, you're going to want to order a big box of snacks. And you're like, no. What the fuck? You just put it in your mouth. You're not able to experience the fizzing.
There was some. That was good.
Oh, it's really fizzy. I like these a lot. I love lemon stuff, except for those. Okay, so what was your favorite? The truffle chips are your favorite? I can't choose between these and the little orange cake. My least favorite is probably the lemon pepper Terrellini, but it's just not something I'm used to. And I really love the tiramisu chocolates. I really love the almond cookies. Pretty much all the sweets, of course. I love sweet stuff. So you're finishing those chips then?
Dinner.
Don't ruin your dinner. It's like the candy's fizzing out of a little hole on either end. That's inappropriate. I don't think I can put that on YouTube.
You can't.
I said stop eating.
I'm hungry.
You clearly really like these.
Well, I'm hungry.
Alright, so that was everything in our Universal Yums. Let us know if you enjoyed this video and if you want us to do it again. I do have a subscription to this, so I'm going to keep doing it because I really like trying snacks from other places. I feel like seeing more like places would be fun, even if you don't like everything. Like, I still feel like it's well worth it to try everything out. Would you want to get a bigger box or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for hanging with us. What should they do now?
Oh, okay. Hold on. Like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already.
Yay!
But if you are, thank you.
Anything else?
Tell your friends. Tell your family.
And let us know down below if you have any like snack subscriptions. Is this the first one we've tried? I feel like I've maybe gotten one other one before, but I don't remember. But if you have any favorite snack subscriptions, let me know. I might check them out. And I will see you guys really soon in my next one. Bye guys.
Goodbye. Adios.